weather now. It's 5:30 a.m. So I finished already in the kitchen and I finished for the lunch box. So now I'm just start cleaning here in the balcony. Okay, before I must to finish at 6 a.m. before I let wake up to Sisi. Okay, so that is my daily routine as a OFW if the school days. Mostly I wake up at 3:30. Of course I go to the bathroom and then continue na yan. I fix by myself and then 4:30 go na to the kitchen to boil the egg and then to fix if I make fried or prepare for the lunch box and for the breakfast. And I make it sure that 5:30 I'm just finished already in the kitchen so that I can fix also the uniform of Sisi when I finish, and then here in the small balcony. Okay, because if I have a laundry, so I need to put her in the laundry in the small balcony. What's that? To make sure the sun can make it with the clothes with my laundry. So now that is quarter, it's already quarter, I think 5:35 a.m. in the morning here in Iraq, in Baghdad. Okay, so thank you again, thank you for watching. To all subscriber, I'm always repeating of my greetings videos from I have 1 subscriber until now, but I have views and mga viewers and supporters that is still continue helping in my channel, and you know who you are and you know updated of your individual channel that you have, and we are belong maybe in the different countries because we are not the same, all of us, that we are belonging in the different kind of this earth in these countries. Okay, so thank you very much talaga. And to my all angkan both side of my nanay, ang mga mga security nag-turn around na. So I must to say thank you very much for all of them, and thank you very much talaga. God bless, God provide everything what happened in the different countries. Yun ay kapalaran. That is plan of our God. So can we survive everything whatever happened, things, happenings, or whatever that what we have. So thank you brad, ingat talaga to my only one brother, ingat. And I have too much of brothers of course, and sisters, and mga half sister and sister-in-laws, mga adopted sister, that are friends, all mga kababata ko sa hometown, ang kanbot na yung ni tatay, and you know who you are. And this is part of my journey while I'm still living in this earth. And thank you to my employer, to the family of Madam and Sir, the family of Madam, the friends, the family of Sir and friends, and our friends of Sisi and our future little baby, and to all of us living in this earth. Thank you very much talaga that you are helping of my everything what channel I have, and to all blogger also that they are already belong in the social medias, that you are already in the highest. Ingat-ingatan nyo lagi because that is all effort that you are spending time so that you can reach and you can gain your channel, that what you have through subscriber, viewers, and mga supporters. So more blessings and God bless us all, and more at all talaga. Ingat, it's winter time coming soon na. It's cold and it's December also ready. So good luck to all nieces that I have, mga apo-apo. Ingat kayo lagi, and say bye bye. Thank you YouTube company, YouTube channel, YouTube staff, and mga founder and workers. Good luck. And to all belong in the different kind of social medias. living in this earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you and bye-bye.